Man, what up, Poker Maniac TFP? Back to another video, man. Let's get right to it, man. We got a 13. Okay, let's go. Push.
You win.
With the hands, but we still lose 20 bucks on the sides. Oh, come on. Okay, we got it back. Double down. Get it back. Yep. No 7. 7? Alright.
You win.
Y'all subscribe to the channel. Check out teamforeverpaid.com/casino. Ooh, perfect pair. Blush. And a straight. Just hit it. What's that? Yeah, we needed that low card there, but still profit. We'll hit one of these. We can get a 5. That was literally, there's the 5. That was literally the bust card. Alright, we're gonna raise here. We needed the bust. Let's go. A nice raise and a bust. Alright, let's bet 25 here and 50 here. See if I make the right choice. Stan, come on, get that 8, 7. 7 might be near. Nope. Alright, we're gonna do two $50 hands. We got the 20 on that, but we need help here. Nope. Dealer's 5.
You win.
Alright, let's raise it to 100. Blackjack. Alright, we're gonna stand here, we're gonna double down. Good time to get money on the table. 21. With the raise, get out. Y'all check out the Patreon.
You win.
Patreon.com/PokerManiacTFP. Y'all see what's going on with it, man. We got to 1,000. We're gonna stand here and we're gonna hit. Stand that. 18, so it's a little wash with the hands. Diamonds. Come on, you gotta give me diamonds somewhere. 13, you gotta hit that for the 21. We got another 8. 7. Okay. I hit that because the cards told me. Big. That's 2 dubs. Now this is an interesting one. Patreon, this is an interesting one right there. That's an interesting hand. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna leave it alone. 6. I mean, it was there, wasn't it? Patreon, it was there, huh? It was there. That was an interesting one.
You win.
Let's go to 50 on the hands. It's time. Blackjack. You don't want to miss opportunities. Perfect double down.
You win.
Perfect double down. Don't want to get too greedy. Blackjack. Nope. So we gotta hit that. 7. Nope. Stand. Imagine me hitting that 20 for no reason. Alright, the 6. 6 is right there. Alright. Leave it alone. Stand. Stand. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. There's the ace. Hit that subscribe button, man. Let's get it. We got stuck at 10,000. Easy double down. Sometimes you just gotta do it, you know. The bet wasn't that high. Not too much of a risk, but it's there, and we lost. Let's do 50. Come on, we need these. 9. We got the pair. Alright, we need a 9. Okay. Okay, we need a 2 under. 2, 3, 5 under. Nope. Push. That's good. Profit, 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 profit. Alright, run it back. Diamonds. Straight flush, baby. Double down. 13. Hit that. 11. I'm glad I didn't double that. 21. 8. Let's go.
You win.
Good money, good money, good money. Diamonds. We got the pair and diamonds. So I'm not even gonna split these 9s. I know we're supposed to split those, but I'm not. I'm not.
You win.
I should have, but I'm not. So let's raise the sides. Let's try to get a side bet here. I didn't split them because I want to see if it's true. It's not true. 6. I wanted to try to get a side bet there. I might have to run it back. Alright, let's get a side bet now. I should have split it. That was almost a straight flush, man. Jeez. 100, 200. We get that even. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, no way. Alright, we can do it again as a push. We can do it again. We're going to try to hit a side bet to get us up there. Any perfect pair, we're good. Damn, bro. How... Chat, I mean, bro. Alright, we got to chill out. We tried to go for the side bet hit. Watch. Now, just watch. Right when I lower the side bets, they're going to hit. Nope. Nothing hit. 7. 7. Okay, we'll take that. We're gonna stand here. Still nothing. 17. Alright, we're gonna go to one hand here, and we're gonna try to see what's up. See if we can catch a good time to raise and end the video. Bad time to go to one hand, right? I don't want to see dealers pulling no type of aces. You know what I mean? We're gonna run that bet back. $17. Maybe a wrong time to go to one hand. See. Yeah, definitely 3 hands. Come on. Stand.
You win.
Alright, come on. We got it. We ain't hit a side bet in a minute. That's why I'm raising the sides, bro. We gotta hit one something. Jeez. 4. 10. This is a good save.
You win.
Alright, we're gonna repeat but raise. We're gonna raise the bet. We're gonna raise the mains. Come on. We got the 220. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is, man. 220s. Don't pull no crazy. There it is.
You win.
There it was. Alright, so we're gonna go back down. Then we're gonna hit. We're gonna hit again. Ah, Drew. Don't ask. Don't ask. Yeah, I just messed up a pair, dude. Ooh. You're gonna stand it. 26.
You win.
Double down. 21. Good, good. Nice.
You win.
Alright guys, we're gonna end it here. Just nah, hold on, let's do another hand. Yeah. Don't wanna leave on a alright bro, y'all subscribe to the channel, see y'all next video. Nah man, hold on man. Nah. Come on. 10. Yeah, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I just had a feeling, man. Alright, now for real, I'm done. 2,000. Y'all subscribe to the channel. Check out patreon.com/PokerManiacTFP. Join the Patreon. Teamforeverpaid.com/casino. Sign up with Gamble. Check out RakeBit. Check out the last video. Bro, let's get it, man. Sign up, man. Look, it's not about, look, before I leave, it's not about being greedy. Don't buy in for $10,000. Don't buy in for $5,000. Hell, you can literally build a balance from 20 bucks, 30 bucks. You know what I'm saying? And just make $1 a day, bro. $1, like $5 a day times 30, 100, you know what I'm saying? 150, whatever. $100 a month, extra, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, the trick is, do not buy in for a lot of money and then lose it, bro. I'd be like, oh well, I bought in for 7,000, and but you lose the whole 7,000, bro. Relax, man. Relax, bro. You can turn $20 into $100, $5 into 25. Get you a meal that day. You know what I'm saying? Something. And if you lose 5, it was just $5, bro. Not 7,000, not 5,000. You know what I'm saying? It's all about what you make and what you bring in and how quickly you bring it in, right? But I'm not saying gamble all of your money and yeah, like if you make a lot of money, just gamble it, it'll be okay. No, if you like to gamble, just gamble with what you can afford to lose, what you willing. A lot of people buy alcohol, they smoke, they buy cigarettes, you know what I'm saying? If you don't do any of those things, you know what I'm saying? You have an extra few dollars, you can put $20 on, you know what I'm saying? A little something and try to build it to 40 and cash out. I would be happy with $40 extra on a day or $30 a day. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to like make everybody to get them to gamble and whatever, but you know, for the people that really truly love to gamble and play blackjack and it's healthy, right? That's another thing. It's healthy. Nothing about gambling is healthy, but a lot of people have control over themselves. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're not in there just, oh my God, nah, fuck that, nah, put 300 more, nah, 400, nah, go get a credit card, nah. Don't do that, bro. Just relax, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel, man. See y'all next video.